Want to personalize your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra with your favorite photo? Samsung makes it quick and easy to set any image as your wallpaper. Whether it's a personal memory, nature shot, or stylish background, you can customize your phone in just a few taps. Follow these simple steps to set a photo as wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Open the Gallery app from the home screen or app drawer. Inside the gallery, you will find all saved photos, screenshots, and videos stored on your device. Browse through your albums carefully and select the exact photo you want to use as your wallpaper. Once you open the image, tap the More option represented by the three-dot icon located in the top right corner of the screen. A small menu will appear with several options. From this menu, tap on Set as Wallpaper. Now Samsung will display different wallpaper placement options such as home screen, lock screen, or home and lock screens together. Choose the option that matches your preference. For example, if you want the image only on your home screen, tap Home Screen. After selecting the placement option, you can adjust the photo by zooming in, zooming out, or repositioning it to fit perfectly on the display. Once you are satisfied with the preview, tap the Done button located at the top of the screen. That's it. Your selected photo will instantly be applied as wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, giving your device a fresh and personalized appearance.